the burning question is, how do we increase sleep quality? Well, the greatest way to improve sleep quality is to improve our ability to get deep sleep. And this is why I'm going to focus on understanding deep sleep and specific techniques, strategies, and behavior changes we can essentially we can do in order to get more of it. And in terms of restorative capabilities, both physically and cognitively, deep sleep is the most important phase of the sleep cycle. And you know, nonetheless, increasing the amount of deep sleep we get is going to go ahead and make the biggest difference in sleep quality. And it's actually, just to get back to that example of getting 8 to 10 hours of sleep and still feeling tired and groggy, it's that might be because it's when we don't get enough deep sleep, when there's the highest correlation of daytime impairments like tiredness or drowsiness, headaches, the inability to focus. So that's why it's really important to understand deep sleep and know how to get it. So why is it? I want to come back to this graph because I want to talk about why it's possible to optimize our sleep. If you recall, again, the first 4 to 5 hours is when you get the most deep sleep, and then it takes off. So the way that I like to think of this is that there's diminishing returns to all that extra time in bed. And if you can really optimize those first 4 to 5 hours, you can sleep less and feel great and energized. This is why sleep hacking is possible. So, what this means is, there's a diminishing return to all that additional time spent in bed. And this, again, is why we can go ahead and optimize it and why this class even exists.